Want to use Flux AI but don't have a high-end GPU? No worries. Forge is optimized to run smoothly on systems with lower hardware configurations, making AI image generation accessible to everyone. And in this video, I'll show you how to install and use it step by step. First, you'll need the Pinocchio app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, check out our previous video where I guide you through the installation process. But if you already have it, let's continue. Now, open Pinocchio and head over to the header menu. Here, click on Discover option. Now type Forge in the search bar and select it from the results. Once you've selected Forge, you'll see a Download button. Click on it, and wait for the download to complete. Once it's finished, tap on the Install button, and the installation process will begin. It might take a few minutes, so just sit back and let it do its thing. After the installation is complete, you'll see an interface like this. That means Forge is now installed successfully with no errors. You'll also see a link in the terminal. Click on it to open Forge in your browser. Now, let's generate an image. Enter your prompt in the text box and hit the Generate button. Forge will take a few moments to process, and then you'll see your AI-generated image appear on the screen. But what if you want to save your generated images? There are a couple of ways to do it. You can simply right-click on the image and choose Save As, or you can use the Save icon from the header menu to download it directly. That's it for now. In upcoming videos, we'll explore more advanced features of Forge, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out.